then we're going to have what's called an asymmetrical fold. So this can be either an anticline or a syncline, and it'll look something like this. Where you've got one limb shorter, one limb longer. On a syn form, that would look like something like that. Right. Furthermore, if we have something where the difference in pressure is even greater, then we can have what's called an overturned syn form or antiform, which would look something like this, where you've got one that has just, they're now dipping like basically in the same direction almost, but this one, previously in the symmetrical one, they're dipping to the left and the right of the line of symmetry down the middle. However, now they actually go in the same direction, or maybe not at the exact same angle, but they're both dipping in this direction. Even in the asymmetrical one, although the angle on this side has gotten smaller, you'll notice that they're still dipping in different directions in both cases. However, now they both have the same general direction, even if it's not the entirely same angle. So an overturned syn form would look something like, just imagine it, their direction. Now they're both dipping like that, right? And looks like I'm running out of space, but there's one more type I do want to talk about, which is when a fold that already exists is turned 90 degrees, basically. So an already existing fold is folded another 90 degrees. So that would just look something like this. And we call this recumbent. So, it looks symmetrical. These are likely of equal length. However, it's, that's not the way folds normally occur. So we distinguish it as recumbent, which is the most extreme case where you'll have it a full 90 degrees. If you get anything larger than that, then we just say an antiform has become a syn form, or a syn form has become an antiform. But you won't get an antiform that has, say, been flipped or rotated 92 degrees. We'd actually refer to that as an antiform that has been rotated 88 degrees. And I really don't need to draw separate images of this because, well, you can imagine what the other one looks like. It's been rotated 90 degrees, so it would just look like this in the opposite direction, or even the same direction. But yeah, many times we assume things to look perfect, to work out perfectly and in the most simple way possible. However, it's just good to know that many times that isn't the case, and we get things like asymmetrical, overturned, or recumbent folds. So hopefully that was informative. Otherwise, good review. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.